Now, like many of you, I am still waiting for my Google Pixel Fold, but I'm happy that cases are available now so that when it comes in, I can protect it. And I'm sure you're going to be interested in that as well. And here we have 4 cases from VRS Design that are really, really good looking cases. So first of all, let's take a look at this first one right here. So this is a clear case, and many of these cases, if not all of these cases, have very similar attributes, meaning the protection nature of the case, as well as the overall fit. So, and also the utility of it. So first of all, what you can see is that these are 2-part cases. And in this case, I'm looking at a clear case. And the clear case here does have a hinge mechanism. And you can see the hinge mechanism right here. And I really like that this is clear because you can actually see the mechanics of this. And you'll notice that it's kind of like a little snap case. Well, a couple things are going to happen. When you get your Pixel Fold, you'll place this in the front. This will be the back, and it's going to be able to support the opening and the closing of the case. And as you can see here, this is a pretty robust case. This is going to give you a lot of protection. And what I like about the clear is that it's going to showcase the cover of your fold. If I look at this one right here, what I like about this one, I'm a sucker for, again, just this matte black feature. It has kind of a really nice feel to it. It has like a soft texture, not soft texture, has a soft feel to it that also has these rubberized feet here that have the same attributes as the clear one, but the difference is, again, it's just the color. And you can see that it has that same hinge mechanism that's going to protect the spine of your phone. And then what you'll notice here is that there's an adhesive strip here that's going to allow this to stick to the front of the actual fold. And again, really good looking. You'll notice that you have all the appropriate cutouts that you'll need in order to support charging, and then also the mics and speakers of the fold. We have another one here now. This one is a little bit shinier. It's a little bit different when you look at the back here, so you can see the differences between the two. This one has, again, the VRS logo here in the back, has the rubberized feet. This one, I would put it as a little bit more, I would call it maybe a little bit more rugged to a certain degree. But I think that it's really more about the color itself and the finish. So you can see what these two look like side by side. I'm kind of like digging this one the most. But for those of you who are looking for more of a glossy feel, this is what you'll see. Now, you're not going to find that this is going to be slippery in any way, right? Just because it has that glossy look. You'll notice that it has, and all these have the same cutouts here, so which is going to be easy so that you can hold your phone here. And then you have this nice hinge mechanism that's going to be able to support, again, the back of your phone. So that spine is going to be nicely protected. This one is super cool. Now, I'm not a fan of white cases, but I am a fan of this one right here. And it's because I love the actual black and gray combo. Now, all of these cases are polycarbonate cases, right? So they're going to give you great protection. This one is a combo case. It kind of has like TPU and polycarbonate, which I think is why I kind of like that, the actual look of the texture. There's another secret part of this case that you're going to see in a second. So again, you have the same frame, same adhesive there. Again, TPU, and you'll notice how it has kind of like this little groove area here, which I did not see in these that much. And maybe, you know what, I was wrong. They're there, but they don't stand up or stand out that much because of the color, right? This one, I like that it stands out real nicely, and then it has that flexibility there. Now, when I look at the inside, you'll notice that you can see that there's something going on here. There's some type of compartment, and that's because what you have here, let's see if we can open this up, is you have an ID or credit card holder. Now, this is pretty deep. This is going to be able to hold a number of cards. And you'll notice that, let's do that one more time, it snaps in place. So this is going to be something that, look at, snaps in, and then what you can do is lock it, right? So you heard that audible click. It doesn't open. This is going to be great for those of you who like to carry your IDs and want to just have a phone that's both your wallet and your phone at the same time. And this, again, combined with Google, the wallet, you'll be able to use it for tap type transactions. But if you need to carry your driver's license, or you need to capture or bring, let's say, a membership card, something that you need to take with you, you'll be able to do it here. And then rest assured that it's going to be secure. So guys, those were the cases for the Google Pixel Fold. Order yours today so you have protection for your phone when you receive it. See you in the next video.